Hello and welcome back to Neethu's Nest. Our today's recipe is a type of brown bread recipe prepared with whole wheat flour or atta, which is a healthy alternative. You will need 2 cups of whole wheat flour, half cup of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of instant yeast, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of sugar. Mix this well with a spoon or a blender. Now to this you can add 1 cup of warm milk, Now to this you can add 1 egg, two tablespoons of vegetable oil or olive oil. Make sure the egg and oil used here are at room temperature and mix this well. Now place the dough on the floured surface and knead it. You will need around 1/4 cup of flour for kneading. Make sure you knead it for at least 40 to 50 turns. Now shape the dough into a loaf and place it in the greased loaf pan. Cover it with a towel and let it rise in a warm spot until it's 1 inch taller than the pan about for 35 minutes. Meanwhile, you can preheat the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes and bake this for about 30 minutes. Remove this immediately from the pan and let it cool for at least 10 minutes before slicing. In this recipe, I've shown you how to make it using a hand mixer. If you don't have a hand mixer also, it is fine. You can knead it with your hand, but knead it for a longer time. This recipe also works with all-purpose flour instead of wheat flour. So follow the instructions and your bread will come out as good as this one, or even better, because you, I'm sure, will make it with a lot of love for your family and friends. Do let us know if you have any queries, and if you try this bread, please do share your experience in the comment section below. Until next time, happy baking!